Hi, my name is Anna Radova. I'm a physiotherapist. I work in a hyperrehabilitation center Kabalinus in Prague, and I mainly work with children, especially with children from 2 months of age. Uh, I attended a course with great Beth Macaulay, focused on speech therapy using horses, and it was really perfect. I can strongly recommend it to anyone who is working with some clients with speech problems. Beth is really great, and she will show you that you can do miracles with speech therapy. I expected that I will see some new approaches how to work with, for example, children with dysphasia or speech apraxia, and everything I saw here I will use for sure in my practice with my clients, because it was very useful, and Beth showed me how to do just small things that can do really big changes.